Hello, and thank you for joining us for another in-depth but easy to follow video top list. We know that you live a busy life and don't have the time to dedicate to searching for the best products on the market, which is why we did it for you. We spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available today, and we also analyzed many customer reviews to find the best models. Our final rankings based on comfort, practicality, and value for the money. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Make sure to check out the products links in the description below. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Christy with Big Red Rooster, and I would like to introduce you to our adult sound machine. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. And then this is what the sound machine looks like outside of packaging. So as you can see, the speaker's on the front, and on the bottom is the battery compartment. So it operates on 3 AA batteries, which are not included. However, it does include an AC adapter, so you can either utilize batteries or the AC adapter, and this is what the AC adapter looks like. And this is where you plug it in. On the front, let me show you the features. This is the on-off button, so simply press it on, it will illuminate. Beside of that is a timer, so you can set a timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. So you have the option of leaving the sound machine on all night long or setting the timer. So if I press the timer button once, you'll see 15 is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 15 minutes and then will shut off automatically after that 15-minute time period. If I press it again, 30 is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 30 minutes and then will shut off automatically after that time period. If I press it a third time, the 60 minutes will illuminate. That means the sound machine will stay on for 60 minutes and will shut off after 60 minutes. To simply turn the timer off, you press it again. The timer is now off. Adjacent to the timer button is the volume control. So you have volume up and volume down. You have 6 different sounds. I'll go through them. You have the white noise, which you hear now, rain, ocean, brook, summer night, and thunder. So let me turn this up a little. This is the white noise. This is rain. This is the ocean. The brook, summer night, and thunder. So to turn the machine off, you simply press the on-off button again. You'll notice the light goes off and the sound machine is off. So once again, this is our adult sound machine, and welcome to Big Red Rooster.
Shh. Mother shusher. Go, 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 go.